Thinking about making quick and easy money online but don't know how to actually do it? Selling your old toys collection and trying those play to win money games or becoming a freelance artist must have popped up in your head. But do these ideas really pay enough? Or are these ideas viable enough for you to leave your 9 to 5 job? Probably not. Hi guys, my name is Shelly and in this video I'm going to be telling you the top 6 real ways to make money online that you cannot just do as a side gig or a one-time thing, but you can have them as your full-time career that will pay you well enough to make a living. And you know, having a successful online career has its own perks, like work from home or anywhere you want, work at your flexible hours and be your own boss, right? So if you are looking for some inspiration on online career options, watch this video till the end, as by the end of this video you will learn top 6 ways to make money online that doesn't involve much investment and you just need a laptop and a solid internet connection. And also in the end I'm gonna share a pro tip that has worked very well for me. So let us begin with one of the most popular and effective ways to make money online, that is affiliate marketing. You can earn handsome money by becoming an affiliate marketer and adapt it as a full-time career. There are a lot of real people who make real money from affiliate marketing, so it is a tried and a tested way and also quite newbie friendly. You can sign up to an affiliate program and can choose products to promote. There are multiple affiliate programs like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, which you can join and choose offers according to your niche. And then you can promote it to the right set of audience and can earn handsome commission. You can also watch my video on affiliate marketing for beginners 2021 to know more and get started with your affiliate career. You can find the video link in the description box below. Let's move on to our second way to make money online, and that is to sell solo ads. Yes, you can be a solo ads vendor to make money online. You may think it's an old way, but trust me, solo ads are still the basic need for online business, which makes selling solo ads a stable career option for online marketers. All you need to be a solo ads vendor is a huge email list in a specific niche, or you can have separate email lists for different niches. So if you are a complete beginner, start by building an email list, and to do so you can set up your own website or a capture page to gather customers' details. But if you want to sell solo ads without a list, zero technical experience, and you want to make $3K to $5K a month, you need to join my Facebook group and follow me on Facebook, as that's what I'm about to launch in the upcoming week. Also, I have a separate detailed video for you on how to be a solo ads vendor, so you can have everything you need to know about how and where to sell your solo ads. The link is again in the description box below. Okay, so on the third place in this list is another great way to make money online, and that is start your online course. So if you have some great knowledge in a particular niche, you can monetize it by sharing it with a target audience through an online course. There are so many websites that allow students and tutors to meet at the same place and allow qualified and expert tutors to launch their online course and earn by the means of fees paid by the students. Udemy, Skillshare and Thinkific are some great platforms where you can launch your online course and make some good bucks by it. I have seen folks even make $50,000 a month by selling their online course. Although it majorly depends on your course, niche and teaching profile that how much you can earn. Now let's head further, and the fourth way by which you can make some good grants online is become an influencer. You can start influencer marketing almost at next to zero cost, as all it takes just a laptop, internet and a huge social media fan base. So if you are one of those popular internet people, what are you waiting for? You can monetize your social presence by influencing your audience purchasing power. All you have to do is join an influencer marketing platform, get yourself some good products to promote, influence your audience by your content, and earn on every click and conversion. Simple? Well, but it is not actually that simple. It has its highs and lows like every other business, right? So, if you are really interested to know how to be a social media influencer and make money, then go ahead and check out my another video that I have created earlier. I will put that link in the description box below. And now let us jump to our fifth way, that is, you can become a blogger. If you have a passion for writing, why not monetize your skill by writing blogs? As you know, blogs are a classic way to promote business online. So many merchants and businesses look for bloggers who can promote their products or services by writing quality and unique content. So what you can do is add affiliate links of products in your blogs and earn per click, or you can earn by writing product reviews for sites. Alright. Now lastly, I will add in this list another very effective and most popular way, that is starting a YouTube channel. Well, we all know or heard about famous YouTubers like Jeffree Star and PewDiePie, but do you know one of the most richest YouTuber in the world is 7-year-old Ryan, whose net worth is around $32 million that he made by posting toys review videos on his YouTube channel Ryan's World. So yes, starting your own YouTube channel is by far the best way to earn money online. I mean, if a 7-year-old can do it, why can't you? And if you really wanna be a successful YouTuber, then my suggestion to you is stick to one niche like little Ryan does with toys, or like my niche is make money online niche. And keep in mind that there could be two types of audience. One who want informative knowledge on some topic or solution to their particular problem, and another one is who want pure entertainment. So what you can do is either make an informative video that address some kind of common problem that your audience may have, or make some entertaining video. And once you grow your audience to 1000 plus subscribers, you can start earning from YouTube ads. Now here is the pro tip, as I promised earlier, and that is, if you are thinking to pick any of these online business options as your career that I have mentioned in this video, I would suggest you to start selling solo ads even when you don't have an email list and with zero technical experience. And for that you just need to follow me or either Ishan on Facebook or start your online journey with us. And with this we have reached the end of this video. And if you want to know more about email marketing and other informative stuff for online marketing, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tell your thoughts in the comment sections below. So if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my Facebook community, I would like to invite you to join my private Facebook group. I look forward to engaging with you in that group. I will see you there. Make sure to please subscribe to my channel. Also hit that like button. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.